Hey everyone, it's Tom here from HIDprojectors.com. This is the 957 Porsche Cayenne Stage 3 headlight modification video. I'm going to go through all the options here to explain to you guys exactly what you get in a Stage 3 headlight, as well as some of the options you can choose and select to make them even more unique. If you haven't noticed already, one of the biggest features here is that color changing rear angel eye that sits behind the shroud there. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few cool things you can do with these. Change them any color you'd like, obviously. We're going to turn them off and we'll start from the beginning. So the first thing you get with the Stage 3 headlight is the performance upgrade. We take out that old Bi-Xenon projector, probably worn out by now, old bulbs, old bowls. We replace it with our extremely efficient and high-performing version of our projector, which is a complete plug-and-play solution for your system. You're not going to get any error lights, no issues with it going up or down or doing the self-leveling. All that's going to work perfectly. So you get our brand new Bi-Xenon projector that's 80% brighter and a brand new set of bulbs too. So it is a huge upgrade in terms of output. The light output is whiter, it's crisper, it's wider, and it's further. And the high beam is even more impressive. So right off the bat, performance-wise, we knock it out of the park. Next, we talk about aesthetics. So the next thing you see, everything's painted gloss black here for the Stage 3 light. You can ask us to do different colors or do different designs or leave something chrome, for example. We can work with you on that. If you have a custom request, just reach out to us. We'll accommodate that. The next thing you could choose with the Stage 3 light is within that projector lens, you can choose a lens etching, and whether or not you want to customize that with your own logo. So we often do like a honeycomb etched lens, or you can even send us your own logo. As long as you have the rights to it, we'll etch it for you. Then we talk about the rear part of the projector. That's where the shroud is, and that's where you get the color changing rear angel eye. So in this case, these are Bluetooth operated, and I've got my smartphone here. This is an iPhone, and I could select any color I'd like. So there's a red one, there's a green one, there's a blue one, and it'll stay on any color you want. It remembers it. When you turn it off and you turn it back on, it's going to remember your last selection. You'll also have 20 different modes that are built in. These are show modes. So here's one called a 7-color crossfade, where it will fade in and out of every color. This is something you'd use, for photos, or if you're at a car show, you could show off here. There's also there's 20 different ones. There's gradual changes, and you could speed them up and slow them down. Here's a red and blue crossfade, which is pretty cool. You can even do strobing. So if you guys are photosensitive, you might want to look away, but there are a bunch of strobes you can do here, and even a 7-color jumping change. So you can also have them beat to music and go right into the color wheel, and let's just pick a weird color that you might not even know exists. Here's like a weird bluish teal color, and you could set that as your favorite color. Or you can go in and take a photo of a color that you like, and it'll match that. There's a purple color, for example. So tons of cool things to do to really make your ride unique with just a small little LED ring that sits in the back of the light. That's, again, easy to install as well, and everything's plug and play for that. Now when I turn that off, the last thing to talk about are the LED bulb upgrades. Actually, we have two things to talk about. You could do an LED bulb upgrade for the cornering light in the middle and for the LED for the high beam, or you could keep those with your standard halogen bulbs. Totally up to you. We just offer it as a service. If you'd like to select that option, use the drop-down menu and select it, yes, and you'll see the price change for that selection. The last thing are the lenses that go on the outside of the headlight. We do recommend new lenses, especially if your lenses are in poor condition. If you'd like that, use the drop-down menu to select yes for that, and we'll put on a new fresh set of lenses for you, and we'll actually do a courtesy ceramic coating as well. So that's it for the Stage 3. The biggest change for Stage 3 versus Stage 2 is the color changing angel eye. That's what you get for a difference. Everything else is pretty much identical. So if you guys are interested in something like this, you can make your purchase right on the website at HIDprojectors.com, or you can email us if you need help, sales@HIDprojectors.com, or you can give us a call, 716-662-3479, and we'd be real happy to help you pick out exactly what you need to make your Porsche truly unique. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.